We do have that severe weather threat still in play for our northwesternmost areas in particular. In the red, that is the level 4 out of 5 moderate risk, level 3 out of 5, and the orange for center Nacogdoches down to Rusk and Crockett, and then also the slight risk level 2 for Hemphill, places like Zavala as well, and down into southern Trinity County. So overall, the severe weather threat has decreased a little bit for our southeastern most areas, but still we are all fair game to see severe weather that could be on the stronger to significant side. In fact, damaging straight line winds, as we've been talking about, continues to be the greatest threat here. Could see winds in excess of 75 miles per hour, especially within the blue area from Palestine, Jacksonville, and Henderson up to the north through Gilmer, Pittsburgh, Tyler, Mineola, Emory, places like that, seeing a risk of some very strong straight line wind gusts. Also a chance for a significant tornado, which is EF2 or stronger, especially the northern parts of our area. This is really from Carthage, Henderson, Jacksonville, just north of Palestine, and then points to the north, including places like Longview, Gladewater, Quitman, Emory, places like that. Athens also. Really, the closer you get to the DFW area, the better chance of seeing a significant tornado and significant hail as well. Also a possibility, which is hail that is 2 inches in a diameter or larger. Again, 2 inches is about the size of a hen egg. If you're not familiar with that, double the size of a quarter, and that's pretty much what you have for that hail size maximum for our day today. And as you can imagine, that can do some serious damage, so make sure to take it easy out there as you head out and about today. Now again, damaging wind gusts, to recap it all, the primary threat, I have it at a medium to high level here. Tornadoes and large hail, both at a medium, flash flooding at a low to medium. So again, all of these cannot be entirely ruled out, but damaging wind gusts up to 75 to 80 miles per hour continues to be the primary concern. Main time frame for severe weather is 2 p.m. today, from then until midnight tonight. As we take a look at temperatures right now, we are sitting out in the middle and upper 70s. We do see some breaks in the cloud cover here or there. We do not want that because, again, you can see the high temperatures already up to 80 degrees the closer you get to the Metroplex. Again, we definitely do not want to see 80s, but we're getting there in Mineola at 79 right now, 76 in Tyler. Overall, timing things out between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. for our far western most areas, and then between 6 and 10 p.m. for our central areas, including Jacksonville, Tyler, Gilmer, and Mount Pleasant, and then in the red, 8 p.m. to midnight for places like Center, San Augustine, and Zavala. The storms are moving generally from west to east, so you can imagine Athens is going to get storms before Tyler. Tyler is going to get storms before Marshall, so on and so forth. As we take a look at our futurecast, we are going to see the chance for an isolated cell to develop. Again, this should stay below severe limits through the early afternoon hours, but after about 2, 3 o'clock, we'll really start to see the severe weather threat ramp up as the cap erodes as temperatures continue to warm. We will see the line of thunderstorms developing over towards DFW, and those storms will eventually move into our area, and it could be quite intense as it does so, with 75+ mile per hour straight line wind gusts and embedded tornadoes as well. So make sure to stay weather aware when the storms are moving in. Stay inside, stay away from windows. Even if you're not under a warning, still can have some gusty winds up to about 40 to 50 miles per hour. And that is technically below severe limits, but can still do some damage, especially with the recent ice storm where there's a lot of branches that are still weak. So just keep that in mind. Storms get out of here between 10 p.m. and midnight, and then we'll be much colder for the day on Friday. To recap today, highs in the upper 70s, a few low 80s out there with strong to severe thunderstorms possible after about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. For tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms possible through midnight. Temperatures a lot colder behind the cold front. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. Will be colder for Friday, but then warm up into next week.